Why are there not more people talking about Zanu PF's latest move? Is it a strategic play or genuine concern? A new proposal from a member of Zanu PF's Varakashi team is sparking debate. The suggestion? A lockdown to combat COVID-19. But not everyone is convinced. Political observer Masiza Welladowns raises an eyebrow at the timing. Welladowns suggests this could be a tactic to divert attention from President Emerson Mnangagwa's new role as SADC chairperson, and perhaps to stifle impending protests. The skepticism doesn't end there. Questions arise about whether this move is genuinely about public health or political maneuvering. However, let's not forget the crucial role of the World Health Organization, who has been leading global efforts to combat COVID-19, emphasizing that any lockdowns must be backed by scientific evidence. So is it politics or public safety? The debate continues. Stay tuned as we uncover more.